to Jamaica.
Center flight 124, clear for takeoff, runway 25, wind, 230 degrees, 119.
Runway 25, frontier 124.
Rouge 1805, Santa Tower.
Go for Rejected.
Confirm for ready.
Go Rejected.
1805, Roger. Enter the runway via Alpha. Backtrack into position runway 25.
Via Alpha, backtrack runway 25, Rejected.
Center flight 124, airborne 25, contact radar 120.8. Good day.
Have a great day, Frontier 124.
Rouge 1805, clear for takeoff, runway 25, wind, 230 degrees, 8 knots. One 1805, airborne, 1828, contact radar, 120.8, good day.
228, good day, Rejected 5. Blue 879 over Rigor, 25.
879er, clear to land runway 25, wind 070 degrees, 7 knots, and requesting a ride report.
5, just a location all light shop, been in the clear, ship weight 79.
That was 273 airborne 04, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
Was 273, so long.
1957, enter runway 25, backtrack into position.
Alright, enter 25, backtrack to position, Delta 1957.
879er, arrive 06, vacate next left, contact SANS to ground, 121.7.
6 Charlie, over to ground, deploy 7.
Delta 1957, when in position, clear for takeoff runway 25, wind 050 degrees, 9 knots.
When in position, clear takeoff runway 25, Delta 1957.
Head 1628, enter runway 25, backtrack into position.
Into position, United 1628, runway 25.
1957 is aborting takeoff.
57, roger. Delta 1957, vacate next left and contact SANS to ground, 121.7.
Ground, Delta 1957.
2A, is there any way we could get a vehicle to inspect the runway?
Head 1628, affirm, subway.
Yes, sir. Can we, when Delta has time, can we just figure out what they aborted for? Do we need to worry about anything on the... Negative, sir. We're good.
Alright, you're clear for takeoff runway 25, wind 060 degrees, 110 knots.
Takeoff 25, United 1462. Thank you.
Station calling ground, say again. Sunset Tower, enter runway 25, backtrack into position.
Enter runway 25 and backtrack into position, just wait, Ager.
United 1628, airborne 13, contact SANS radar 120.8.
United 1628. Thanks. Take care.
JetBlue 880, when in position, cleared for takeoff runway 25, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
Takeoff runway 25, JetBlue 880. Is eastbound on Alpha.
75, Sanctuary Tower, roger, hold short runway 25, number 2 departure sequence.
Short, runway 25, number 2, American 975.
Thanks to tower, enter runway 0, correction, enter runway 25, backtrack into position.
Runway 25, backtrack into position, American 2618.
Blue 880, airborne 16, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
0.8, JetBlue 880, good day.
And 2618 when in position. Clear for takeoff, runway 25, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
Takeoff, runway 25, American 2618.
The wind.
Wind 060 degrees, 8 knots. American 975, enter runway 25, backtrack into position.
And backtrack into position, American 975.
American 2618, airborne 20, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
And 2618, see ya.
Nine 75 when in position, cleared for takeoff runway 25, wind 050 degrees, 10 knots.
And in position, clear for takeoff, runway 25, American 975. So 1915 on the RMP, runway 07.
Delta 19 or 15, thanks to tower. Continue approach runway 07, report done it.
Done it, and continue to approach Delta 19175.
Canada 982 Heavy arrived 04, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.71 clear.
7 92, thanks. Delta 1890 done it.
So 189 thanks to tower, roger. Wind estimated 040 degrees at 15 knots. Clear to land runway 07.
And 07, Delta 1890.
So Tower, reducing the minimum approach speed.
Delta 1915.
Then behind the traffic short final, runway 07, line up behind and wait.
Behind traffic, line up and wait with jet 2897.
So 18900 arrived 06, vacate via taxiway. Alpha expedite vacating, contact ground 121.71 clear.
7 clear at Alpha Delta 1890. Tower American 2197, 3000 over receipt.
Can 21907, thanks to Tower, continue approach, runway 07, report a 5 mile final.
Approach, we'll call you 5 mile final, American 2197. 1915, over, done it.
9015, continue, expect landing clearance, short final.
1915.
It's 28907, wind estimated 030 degrees at 17 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, no delay.
No delay with jet 2897.
Delta 1915, wind estimated 030 degrees at 18 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Delta 1915.
Westjet 28907, airborne 08, contact thanks to radar now 120.8, enjoy your flight.
Westjet 2897, thanks.
Delta 1915, arrived 09er, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.71 clear.
Bravo over to ground, Delta 1915, everyone.
1907, wind estimated 040 degrees at 18 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
07 clear to land, American 2197. 3's approaching Usain, RNAS, runway 7.
United 1163, thanks sir. Tower, continue approach, runway 07, report, done it.
Continue approach, report, done it, United 1163.
Tower, confirm this frequency and ready for departure.
2249, we're holding short, runway 7, ready to go.
2249, roger. Behind the landing, Airbus 321 short final, line up behind and wait, runway 07.
Behind the landing traffic, line up away, runway 7, Southwest 2249.
Americana 21907 arrived 12, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Over to ground, American 2197, thank you.
Exit 1163, continue. Releasing on Boeing 738. Expect landing clearance, short final.
Continue.
West 2249er, wind estimated 030 degrees at 17 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
7, 2249.